Are you tired of losing track of all the shared links in your Telegram chats on your PC? Well, worry no more, because in this video, I will show you how to easily view all the shared links in your Telegram chat on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chat where you want to view the shared links. Next, click on the chat's name to open the contact info. Here, you will see a list of options, including profile photo, media, shared links, and more. Click on the Links option to view all the shared links in that specific chat. You will see a list of all the links that have been shared in that chat, making it easy for you to find the one you're looking for. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can now easily view all the shared links in your Telegram chat on your PC. No more scrolling endlessly to find that one link you need. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy chatting.